Hello and welcome to Fashel's Creation Studio. Like you saw from the title, today we are going after the bag. Thanks for joining Fashel Creation Studio. I'm not real, I'm an AI influencer. Today I'm not here to sell anything, but to give you 3 ways you can escape poverty coming 2026. I might not be real, but I know what's cooking. What we are building on these channels are people who are bent on making money online, because we all know money is freedom. Now, if you want to create an influencer like me, then drop influencer in the comments section. I'll tell you how you can use someone like me to make money and build your following, because that's what we are all about. Since we are 2, my creator and I will rush you through these methods, and if you feel stuck, drop a comment and she will get to you.
They say dreams take time, but we speed it up. Facial creations where you bloom.
Let me guess, you're waiting for the perfect opportunity, perfect time to start making money online, while others are sitting on their laptops and printing cash. Who do you? Let me tell you something. Right now, 2026, you can make money just by using your laptop. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you 3 powerful business ideas that's going to blow up in 2026. And if you wait, if you delay, if you procrastinate, you're going to be watching others catching out while you sip regret. So stay tuned, sit tight, grab a paper and a pen, take notes, because I'm going to be spilling you the tea, because these are not just trends. These are future empires. And if you want to be one, listen and watch this video to the end, because you might just be going home with a brand new idea, a brand new business idea you can start making money with. And the most amazing thing about these business ideas are you don't need any experience. You don't need any skills. All you need is your laptop, your phone, and a Wi-Fi. I mean, just with these 3 tools, you can start making money online. So stay in, hang in there, and let's go. The truth is, brands are tired of high maintenance influencers. What's trending now is AI influencers. Influencers who don't sleep, who never get tired, who never complain, and who never age. Let me tell you, the other day I was scrolling, and while scrolling, I met this video. This video was about a guy. This guy was talking about how he used an AI influencer to generate money. This guy said that he had always wanted to sell products on TikTok store, but because TikTok requires a certain amount of followers before you can actually sell products on TikTok store, it became so difficult for him to sell. So he had actually started making videos, creating content, but his followers were not growing. So he needed a strategy. He needed something that could activate his followers. And then with those followers, he can get products, and those products now can sell. So what was he supposed to do? He started thinking. So he went ahead, he called his mentor and he asked, I really want to grow my TikTok page, but I also want to sell. The intention is to sell and make money. And I want products from the TikTok store, because you can always affiliate for any product. I mean, once you're a content creator, there are so many products online you can affiliate for. I know many people don't understand what I mean by affiliating. Affiliating means you can see somebody's product and you go there, you get the product, you sign into that website, get into the shop, look for the products that actually work with you or work with your niche, get that product, get a code. They call it an affiliate link. When you get that affiliate link, you can promote that product. Whoever buys that product using that link, you get money from it. So as a content creator, you can affiliate to make money. You mustn't even be only content creator. For example, I teach people how to use AI for business. I teach people how to make income using AI. I can also affiliate using AI tools. I mean, there are so many AI tools that ask you if you want to affiliate for them. You can just go to those AI tools, take their affiliate link. Whenever you make a video, you put those affiliate links below. Anyone who clicks and goes and subscribes, then you get a commission for it. So this is what this guy wanted to do. He wanted to actually sell products using affiliate links on TikTok store, but he couldn't do that due to the fact that he hasn't attained a number of followers. So right now, he needed to literally find a strategy that will grow his followers. Then that's where his mentor came in. His mentor told him, what product do you want to sell? So he said he wanted to go into something concerning health. So the mentor said, okay, look for the health product you want to do and tell me. His mentor gave him an idea. Why don't you look for an AI influencer? An AI influencer is going to promote your page much more faster because you creating content all the time is so tiring. Now you can use an AI influencer, and this AI influencer is going to promote your page very fast, and you grow your page very, very fast. So he thought about it. So one day while he was scrolling, he came across this sassy grandma and he thought about it. Why don't I create an AI influencer who is a grandma? Not your usual AI influencer, not your regular AI influencer. You and I know most of the times when we want to create AI influencers, we go for those AI influencers that are pretty, that have boobs, that are curvy, all those AI influencers, because we know an attractive woman will bring sales. But no, this guy didn't go for an AI influencer that is so attractive or so curvy or having a perky breast. He didn't. What this guy did was he went in for a grandma vibe influencer. That kind of grandma, you know, that kind of sassy grandma. Yes, that's what the guy went in with. And to be candid with you, he made so much sales. And this guy started using this grandma influencer to grow his page. Guys, within 24 hours, this guy said he sold almost $3,000 using this grandma influencer. What are we still waiting for? What are you and I still waiting for? I'm here to tell you that you can also do the same. I'm not saying you must create a grandma influencer. Look for your own vibe and find that influencer that can start promoting your page, that can start helping you grow your page. And before you know it, you can sell so many products on TikTok, making money, earning money every day. That can be your side hustle. Why you come back here and subscribe to this YouTube channel? Because on this channel, I will teach you many other ways, many AI tools you can use to generate income for yourself. Not just using an influencer. We have so many methods you can use this 2026 to start growing income. Instead of folding your arms and complaining about the government, you can start earning in dollars, even in Africa. You can also go ahead, create avatars who can create lifestyle content, tutorial-based content, even advert content, so that you can start marketing them. Now, to go further, you can go ahead and start selling your services to other content creators or business owners who need these services around you. People need services like this, and they don't have all that time to go and start searching for AI tools that can do all this. We all know not all businesses, especially small businesses, are capable of affording influencers. So you can give your influencer to them in the form of a service. If you're here and you're listening to me and you want to make money, please do not hold yourself in. Go right out there. You can do it. We can do it. Money these days is easy because AI has made it easy. Before you do this, start by building one demo video using your own product or mock-up, and then you can pitch it on Fiverr or Instagram. I'm going to be listing some of the things you can build, some of the things you can affiliate for, some of the services you can offer to your community on Instagram, on YouTube, whatsoever, and you start making money. All these things I'm listing are things that will make you blow up in 2026. We all know the thousands of people who have been selling courses. More people will ditch expensive courses and prefer to go for low-cost, bit-sized courses. When it comes to lead funnels, tools like ChatGPT, Vid.io, Tally.forms make creating courses and lead funnels so easy for you to ignore. So with all these tools, you're guaranteed to start making money online. I'm gonna laugh about this because someone like me, I have about 6 master classes in this head. On my mind, I have 6 master classes, and you have that too. So do not wait for someone else to start doing what you have in mind. I mean, delay is dangerous because while you delay, someone else is using your idea out there. That is to say, now is the right time to package that idea into a masterclass and put it out there and let people start paying you for what you know. You can also create a free mini guide or checklist as a lead magnet and charge $5 to $10 for that, which you can upsell the product as time goes on. The next idea I'll be sharing with you today is why everyone is chasing crypto, Bitcoin. Smart moms and creatives are there trying to create kids puzzles, storybooks, coloring books. If you're watching this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, because in my next video, I'll be teaching you how to create your first digital product and list it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, Shopify, so that you can start making money online. And make sure to leave a comment like coming back below so I know you'll return to watch my next video. These 3 business ideas do not care about your face, your followers, or your fears. Just start, grow, and learn. The truth is, this is a process. Once you master it, you become unstoppable. So if you're like me, that you want to make money online and you like making money online, Join this family and come back for more videos like this. Do not forget to download my free AI starter pack below and start using to make money online. And until next time, you're watching Fashel Creations. Bye!